Today we have a problem to tackle, a common scenario that many Git users might face. Picture this. You're in the middle of a merge, resolving conflicts, when you realize you're on the wrong branch. Panic ensues, but fear not, there's a solution at hand. Now, let's delve into the solution. We can fix the situation by rewriting the parents of the current commit, by creating a temporary branch, resetting the commit tree to include the correct parents, in this case main and dev, amending the commit, and finally deleting the temporary branch. We can turn that solo merge commit into a proper merge commit. It's a neat trick that saves us from redoing all the conflict resolution work. In summary, we successfully managed to turn that somewhat lonely commit into a vibrant merge commit that reflects the merge of dev into main on the topic branch. All it took was a little Git wizardry. Hope this solution helps you out in your Git adventures. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this helpful. And as always, happy coding!